Faster. Whoa. Alright. Here, we really need to move this Metro.
Amtrak.
Amtrak. Whoa. Make it a little higher. Yeah, that's a good look. Watch, you can see the Amtrak.
I can't see the video.
You will. I'm just trying to get a good look of the train. Whoa. Follow it or let it go by. Whoa. I'll give it a minute and then boom, you can watch it. You'll like it, the video. Whoa, look out. Yeah, you can shift it and make it outbound. And scale Metro. Oh, you got it outbound side. What's this? Whoa, neat. Here they come again. Shoo. All right, 2 minutes and peace.